In this video, we'll go through how to add an email address to a desktop client, such as Outlook, Thunderbird, or Windows Mail. To add an email to a desktop client, you first need settings information of the email you want to add. To find this information, log into your Barruko account and navigate to Services under My Services. Click your product, then click Email Accounts. This will take you to a list of emails associated with the domain. Find the email you want to add and click Connect Devices to the right of it. Make a note of all the information in this blue box, as we'll need it later when we set up our client. Now open your email client. I'm using Thunderbird, but it's a similar process in most other email clients. Navigate to Tools, Account Settings, Account Actions, and Add Email Account. Enter your name, email address, and password and click Configure Manually. Enter the information we gathered from the blue box in cPanel and click Done. Your email has now been set up.